Welcome, seekers of foresight. We stand at a precipice. A technological revolution unlike any before. It whispers promises of efficiency, convenience, progress. But beneath the hum of algorithms, a different message emerges. A stark reality. AI will replace you. Not if, but when. And in many cases, it already has. Think about the customer service calls now handled by tireless bots. The marketing copy drafted in seconds by an algorithm. The financial analysis executed with inhuman speed. This isn't science fiction. This is our present. And it's only the beginning. For generations, we've defined ourselves by our work. Our titles, our daily tasks, our contributions. What happens when those tasks, those very contributions, can be replicated, perfected, and scaled infinitely by a machine? This isn't just about jobs. It's about the nature of work itself. It's about our inherent human value in a world where pure productivity can be outsourced to silicon and code. It's a daunting thought, I know. A shadow stretching across our collective future. But fear not. For within every ending lies a new beginning. And within every challenge, an opportunity for profound growth. My purpose here is not to sow panic. It's to illuminate the path forward. To prepare you. To empower you to navigate this seismic shift, not as a victim, but as a visionary. Here's how to prepare. First, understand this core truth: AI excels at predictability, at repetition, at optimization within defined parameters. It thrives on data, on logic, on tasks that can be broken down into discrete, repeatable steps. This means any role heavily reliant on such tasks is vulnerable. Consider the analyst meticulously sifting through spreadsheets. The graphic designer arranging elements based on established principles. The paralegal compiling standard legal documents. These are all highly valuable functions today. But they are also precisely the functions AI is rapidly mastering, often with greater accuracy and speed. We've seen it in automated factories for decades. Now, it's coming for the cubicle. It's coming for the creative studio. It's coming for the very thinking professions we once thought untouchable. The real question then becomes, what cannot AI do? What remains uniquely, intrinsically human? This leads us to the first pillar of preparation: cultivate uniquely human skills. AI can analyze data, but it cannot truly feel the weight of a difficult decision. It can generate art, but it cannot truly experience the raw emotion that fuels creation. It can optimize processes, but it cannot truly empathize with a customer's deepest pain or joy. Your greatest asset is not your knowledge. It's your uniquely human capacity to wonder, to empathize, to create. Focus on creativity, innovation, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, complex problem solving, and adaptability. These are the superpowers of the human spirit. They are the domains where AI, for all its brilliance, still falls short. Think of roles that demand nuanced understanding, genuine connection, ethical judgment, or audacious originality. A therapist, a visionary leader, a groundbreaking artist, a truly inspiring teacher. These roles thrive on the human element, not despite AI, but because of it. Secondly, become an AI conductor, not an AI competitor. Don't try to outcompute the computer. That's a losing battle. Instead, learn to orchestrate AI. Learn to speak its language, to harness its immense power as a tool. Think of the conductor leading an orchestra. The conductor doesn't play every instrument. They understand each instrument's capabilities, they interpret the score, and they guide the musicians to create something beautiful and cohesive. That's your role with AI. Learn prompt engineering. Understand AI's capabilities and limitations. Discover how to integrate AI tools into your workflow to amplify your own output. A writer who uses AI to brainstorm ideas and refine drafts will be infinitely more productive than one who stubbornly rejects it. A designer who leverages AI for initial concepts and iterative variations will push boundaries faster. The future belongs not to those who fear AI, but to those who master its symphony. Thirdly, and perhaps most crucially, embrace lifelong learning and radical adaptability. The landscape is shifting at an unprecedented pace. The skills valuable today may be obsolete tomorrow. The only constant is change. Your education is not a finite journey with a diploma at the end. It is a continuous, relentless pursuit. Stay curious. Stay humble. Stay hungry for knowledge. Dedicate time each week to learning new skills, understanding emerging technologies, and observing market trends. Be willing to pivot, to reinvent yourself, to shed old identities and embrace new ones. Adaptability is no longer a virtue. It is the currency of survival. Those who cling to yesterday's methods will be swept away. Those who surf the wave of innovation will ride it to new horizons. The prospect of AI replacing human work can feel terrifying. But what if we reframe it? What if this technological leap frees us from the mundane, the repetitive, the soul-crushing tasks? What if it allows us to focus on what truly makes us human? On creativity, connection, exploration, and meaning? This isn't just about adapting to survive. It's about evolving to thrive. It's about recognizing that the greatest disruption often leads to the greatest innovation. Don't cling to yesterday's definition of value. Embrace tomorrow's infinite possibilities. The future is not written. It is being written by us, right now. By our choices, our willingness to learn, our courage to adapt. Will you be a passive observer, or an active architect of your destiny? Think about what we've discussed. Reflect on your own skills, your own fears, your own aspirations. What steps will you take, starting today, to prepare for this inevitable future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What human skills do you believe will be most crucial? How are you already integrating AI into your life or work? If this message resonated with you, if it sparked a flicker of hope or a surge of determination, then like this video. Subscribe to this channel for more deep dives into the future, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next conversation. Until then, keep evolving. Keep creating. Keep being profoundly, uniquely human.